Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Center. We are going to be seeing isolated thunderstorms for the rest of your Friday across much of the interior, and it's going to be pretty hot for the western areas. We are also going to look at what the weather has in store for you this coming New Year's weekend. In the meantime, here's a look at the most recent satellite picture where we have mostly clear skies across the western half of the country, but we have seen quite a bit of fog creeping into much of the west coast this morning. We still have quite a lot of cloud hanging around over Mpumalanga and Limpopo as well as parts of Gauteng, where we received quite a lot of rainfall in the past 24 hours in some places. Here's a look at rainfall totals recorded this morning in Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Look at Mashishing receiving 93 millimeters, 33 for Tsanin. Less rainfall for Polokwane at 12 millimeters, 16 millimeters was recorded around Mbombela. Now for the rest of your Friday, we are going to have partly cloudy skies giving us isolated thunderstorms for the central and northeastern areas. It's going to be partly cloudy and dry for the easternmost parts of Mpumalanga as well as the eastern areas of KwaZulu-Natal. The rest of the east and south coast will stay mostly sunny with patches of high cloud in places. Clear skies are forecast over much of the northern Cape, where it's going to be very hot as well for much of the western Cape and the western sections of the eastern Cape. So for the rest of your Friday, you can expect just a 40% chance of thundershowers across much of the interior, but scattered thunderstorms are possible for the northeastern areas of the Limpopo province. Now we still have a warning for high fire danger across much of the northern Cape as well as the northern interior of the western Cape. Light to moderate winds are forecast for the rest of your Friday across the bulk of South Africa, but it's going to be breezy once again for East London and Port Elizabeth. Fresh southerlies are forecast around the Cape Peninsula. Sizzling hot afternoon temperatures are forecast across much of the northern Cape. Uppington making it to 41, 39 for Vredendal. Cape Town a bit cooler with a high of 32. Highs in the low 30s are also forecast from George through Port Elizabeth into Bishop. 28 for East London, the same for Durban and Pietermaritzburg as well as Pretoria. Johannesburg 27, 29 for the high in Mahikeng. Here's what you can expect for New Year's Eve for our 5 main cities. It's going to be a sunny and warm to hot affair for Cape Town, Port Elizabeth and Durban, but passing showers are possible for Johannesburg and Bloemfontein, where sizzling hot temperatures are forecast on Saturday. For the rest of the country, it's going to be mostly sunny and hot on Saturday. For the western and southern areas, thundershowers are forecast over the Free State, Northwest, Gauteng and parts of Limpopo. Then on New Year's Day, we stay with thundershowers for the central and northern areas. It's going to be quiet for the rest of the country.